If you need to add custom data for a commercial policy, here's what we've done. So if I go into this commercial policy, normally you can adjust the tabs that show across the top based on these checkboxes. And depending on what you select here, it will go ahead and make some smart assumptions, but then you can remove or add tabs as you need to. These three are now available, custom. The way custom works is you can name it whatever you'd like. So I'm going to name this test tab, and then I can check it. I can do that in any order, by the way. I could check it and then name it, doesn't really matter. So now I have this test tab up here. So I can select this, and all it is one big field. But the cool thing about this is, let's say I wanted a grouping of something here. So I could put a heading up here, and then under it I could put a list of things. Let me show what I mean. So I could even go here, double click that, make that bold or a particular color if I would like. And then down here, let's say I want to make this a list of things. So my first thing is item 1. And I can select this again like I did a moment ago, turn this into a number or just a bullet list. So now as I go down through the list and continue to add item 2 and so on. So, and you can do this all the way down where you can put things all over this, big space, and label it like you want to, or format it like you'd want it to be. So this would be everything in this tab, and you can add a second and a third custom tab. So if I check this, there's my other custom tab. I can name it something. There we go, another test. So it is the same thing. It's a big field that I can put anything I'd like to in there. Now, one thing to mention is these custom tabs are specific to this policy. So I can have up to 3 custom tabs for this policy, but on another customer, I may have 3, 1, 2, or 3 totally different custom tabs for that other policy. Not just the customer, but the policy. It's policy specific. So, hope you like this. If you have any feedback, we'd love to hear from you. And as always, we really appreciate you using Genesis. Thanks so much.